Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand how to create the linear and circular pattern in SolidWorks assembly. And please, and we start here. Let's start here. File, new, and we go in the assembly. This one. Okay. This is the assembly environment. This window comes here. I am canceling. I am selecting from here. Browse. This is the assembly window here. Begin assembly here. I am selecting a part, browse, and I have made a part for this one. Play it and open it. This window comes here. First part, to locate the first part, to locate the first part, I'm not clicking in the graphic area. This part is moving along with my cursor, but I am not clicking. Okay, I am going up in the view head-up tool. This is the view head-up tool. And go in this one, visibility off, and click on this scroll button and this view origin. Click here. Now move. Now again click on this scroll button and now move cursor. Not clicking. Now coincide this origin with this one and this one. Now the part is at part origin at the center of the assembly origin. Okay. There are the two origin. One is the assembly origin and one is the part origin. So this part is at the origin of the assembly. Okay. Now in the view head-up, hide this view origin. This is the first part. We will here understand only the linear component pattern and circular component pattern. Okay. So I am insert. I want to make a fresh part here. Okay. So how insert? Go in this one. Insert new part. This one. We come in this new part environment. We come in this at this part of the edit part of this one. So we want to make a new part. This environment, this one, I am selecting this face. I am selecting this face. Okay. Now normal. Now in this part, whatever I will do, whatever operation I will do, that will not affect this plate. Okay. In this part which I have making a new part, that will not affect the previous parts. Only we can take the reference from this part only. Okay. So suppose I am taking hole here. This one. This hole I am taking 8 mm. 8 mm. Okay. And this distance I am taking 30 mm, for example. Okay, but sketch is not fully defined. Sketch is not fully defined. Then click this one, shift this point, click and take vertical relation. Sketch is fully defined. This one. Okay, now go in the future. Extrude boss face, select this sketch. You take the height as per your requirement. I am taking 30 mm. Okay. This I am part taking. So this part will not affect this first part our. Okay. This is separate. This part. We are in edit mode of this part. Okay. Now out this one and linear pattern in this way. In command manager, this linear pattern, I am making the circular part here. Circular part, select this part. This part, component to pattern, about X, about this one. Suppose I take it equal spacing, 360 degree. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Suppose I am taking 6 part. Okay. This way you can make it. Suppose you make equal spacing at 180 degree. Use this one. You can make it this in one direction. This is in semicircle position. Suppose you want to change the direction from, you can change the direction here. This one. At this circle, these parts, components, circular pattern have distributed in 180-degree angle. Okay, and direction you can change from here. Okay, now suppose you want these parts, I uncheck this equal spacing, and you want these parts suppose at an angle of 20 degrees, for example, this one. So this one you can make it this one, 7, 8. In this way you can make it. And this one you can change from direction here, but I am taking equal spacing 360 degree, 8 parts I have to get it. Suppose you want to edit, remove this, you want to skip any instances. So click in this skip instances, click here, and you will see the ping points. You click whichever component you want to eliminate. This, click this in, this one, and click OK button. Now this will eliminate it. It will disappear. In this way you can make the circular pattern, component pattern here. Okay, now in this part I am deleting this one, delete this one and this and this one. Okay, now I am editing this part. This, how I can edit this one? Edit part. I am editing the same part I am editing. Okay, same thing. Whatever I will draw, whatever operation I will do, that will not affect this previous part. Okay, we can take the reference from this part only. Select this part, normal. Okay, now I am taking another part. Suppose this sketch here, and I am drawing this here. This is 8 mm dial. This one. Okay. Now dimension from here. Suppose 20 mm. And this dimension from here, I am taking 20 mm. Okay. Future, extrude bossways. This one, same height I am taking. I am making this one, this part I am taking. But this time I will take refresh button. Now I will in this one and out of this part. Okay, now assembly, this one, linear component pattern, in linear component pattern. Select this direction and select this also direction. Distance between the components I am taking suppose 30 mm. Okay, in second direction I am taking also 30 mm. Component to pattern, this one I am taking this pattern. Okay, I am taking this, for example 3, 4, and also I am taking this 4 or 5. But this moving toward this side. How can change in second direction? I am changing from here. Direction 2, this one you can change the direction. Okay. 4 component in one direction, horizontal, and 5 component in this direction, linear. Okay. So this one. Suppose you want to skip, suppose this component is coming in the hole, you want to eliminate it. So go in the instances. This one. Now you will see the ping points. Suppose you want to remove this one, click this one, click this one. Whichever component you want to eliminate, you can disappear. Select it, ping point selected, and this one is skipped instances to override. Is skipped instance. You click here. Okay, in this way you can make the linear pattern in this way. In this way, circular linear pattern, you can make it here. Okay. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.